They call them the kings of the freshwater aquarium, and it's pretty obvious why. Look at these colors. But behind this mesmerizing beauty lies a reputation for being absolute divers. Are discus fish actually as hard to keep as everyone says? Let's find out. Native to the floodplains of the Amazon River basin, discus are cichlids that evolve the cumbrous disc-like shape to glide easily to the submerged tree roots and branches. Unlike most fish, they aren't solo acts. They are highly social, schooling fish that need to be kept in groups of at least six to feel safe. Here's the catch. Discuss demand pristine conditions in the wild. They live in warm, acidic, and incredibly clean water. If you want them to thrive in your living room, you have to replicate that. We're talking high temperatures between 82 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit or 28 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, which is much hotter than your average tropical tank, and water that is incredibly soft. But their most mind-blowing trait, how they raise their babies. Discuss are phenomenal parents. When their eggs hatch, the fry don't hunt for microscopic bugs. Instead, the both mother and dad secrete a nutrient-rich slime coat from their skin. The babies literally graze off their parents' bodies for the first few weeks of life. Unlike many terrestrial cichlids, discus are highly social schooling fish. They are happiest and feel safest in groups of six or more. Watching them interact is a joy. They establish a fascinating pecking order and they can even recognize their owners, swimming to the glass to greet you like an underwater puppy. They require patience, dedication, and a bit of learning curve. But reaching the level where you can successfully keep discus is the ultimate badge of honor for any aquarist. Are you ready to welcome the king into your home? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more aquarium guides.